Hello everyone, we're out here with Cupcake, getting ready to do our second part of our winterizing. I'm here to clean out the refrigerator real good. Sam's going on top to make sure everything up there is good. And then I have to do the outside seams around it to make sure everything is secure. And then he's going to do the seams on top. All right, just coming to you real fast, let you know. All right, Vibing Adventures with the Harrises. Please like, subscribe, and share. Peace. All right, guys, I'm going to clean the refrigerator out. I have to figure out how to get this out. I got it out before, but I got to figure out something. And these have to be screwed out to clean, but this one I think I'm gonna have to screw out to clean it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. I don't like doing that, but I gotta get it clean. And you guys gotta make sure too to dry it out so you don't get any mold or anything. Like right there. Gotta make sure there's no, when you clean it, make sure you dry it real good. This is sticky. You gotta clean that too. All right, I have my water, my warm, soapy, bleachy water that I'm going to clean it out with. All right, let me get to work. See you guys later. Coming back. All right, I'm coming back because as I was washing this, I noticed that opened up, so I need to clean that. I did not know that. Okay. I took these out. They're on the side of the refrigerator. So I took these out first, and then I was able to take this out. Okay. Got a butter holder, brand new, never even used it. Because we don't eat butter like that. I use mostly olive oil. All right, but just wanted to let you guys know about that. This opens up. So you gotta clean up in there. Okay. See ya. All right, we are done with Cupcake. Oh, let me show them how clean the refrigerator is.
We gotta get one of them maps. We'll go on the back so we can count off our stages.
Yep. I got one in the list. So refrigerator is good and clean. Nice and sanitized. When I come back, I'm going to bring those moisture packs and put them in the refrigerator and in the freezer, and put them in the bathroom and the kitchen. Those moisture packs work very, very well. All right, Cupcake. See you next time. Peace, everyone.